This next one's called Where's Your Heart? And my son and I wrote this one together, and we're actually headed to the studio in the fall to record it. So we're happy to play it for you today. Travel the places I thought you could be, and I promised myself it was you and not me. And there's so many things I wish I could say to you, and all that's left is the thought of you with someone new. I can't read your mind, 'cause it's your story, but not mine. And where is your heart when it's not here lying right next to me? Too afraid of what it could have been? Was it too hard to bear, too hard to win? Was I too confident in the way that I spoke to you? And now I'm talking to myself and it goes, it's true. I can't read your mind, 'cause it's your story, but not mine. Oh, no. Oh, and where is your heart when it's not here lying right next to me? Get lost. Oh, is someone else keeping you company? Get lost. Oh, and did you get lost? And where is your heart? And when it's not here